Welcome to my channel.
As the new series of Street Woman Fighter 2 has started, this girl became famous not because of her looks, but the way she dances on stage. Presenting, Audrey Lane from Jam Republic caught people's attention with her pretty face and dance style.
She was born on December 30, 2003 in Seattle, Washington.
According to her profile background, Audrey's first dance performance was on NBC's World of Dance. Audrey's bio says that she is American, but some people say that she is either Filipino-American or Mexican-American. This is because of what she wrote on TikTok.
She is now 19 years old, the most youngest dancer in Street Woman Fighter.
She was in the group Jam Republic, and at first, her doll-like looks like Audrey Hepburn made her stand out. She then worked with the electronic duo Matt and Kim and with big names like Samsung, Disney, Mazda, and Nickelodeon. In the first episode, she talked about how innocent she looked, with clear eyes and a bright smile, and how young she was. So, because she got one of the most no respect votes, she was picked as the show's loser at first. But she surprised everyone when she showed that she had two sides. Instead of her normal sweet demeanor, she turned into a dance floor monster and won both rounds.